On screen, we have the animation of an installation used to supply chilled water to a building, to generate cold air for conditioning certain spaces. Let's see what the parts of the installation are, and what each one is for. 1. Chilled water chiller, which internally works like an air conditioner, but instead of cooling air, it cools water, which will later be taken to a building to cool the air inside the premises and offices, and condition them. The chilled water chiller reduces the use of ducts throughout the building, facilitating the operation of the installation. 2. Pipeline for the supply of chilled water. 3. Chilled water return pipe, to cool it again. 4. Here we can see a pipe which functions as a bypass, which can be used in some designs, to return part of the chilled water that is not needed in the building. 5. Shut-off valve. To stop or allow the flow of chilled water in the installation. 6. Gauges. To measure the pressure, and allow knowing the flow of chilled water inside the pipe. 7. Thermometer. To indicate the temperature of the chilled water. 8. Water switch. To ensure the presence of liquid in the evaporator, before turning on the chilled water chiller. 9. Drain valve. To drain water from the system. 10. Flexible unions. To absorb vibrations, and protect the pipe from damage. 11. Check valve. Allows the flow of water, in one direction only. 12. Centrifugal pumps. To circulate water in the circuit. 13. Jet filter. To filter chilled water, and remove impurities. 14. Expansion tank. To absorb changes in water volume due to temperature changes. 15. Air purge. To remove air from the pipes. 16. Three-way valves. To regulate the necessary flow of chilled water for the application. 17. Application. It is the point where chilled water is required, such as fan coils or air handling units.